The action camera game has just been taken to a whole new level with the launch of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This is not your ordinary action camera. This is a powerhouse device that blends industry-leading features with unmatched durability, making it the perfect tool for capturing your wildest adventures. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast, a content creator, or someone who simply loves exploring the great outdoors, the Ace Pro 2 is built to ensure you never miss a moment. This device takes action camera technology to a new dimension, packing capabilities like 8K video resolution at 4320p, jaw-dropping slow motion up to 240 FPS, and ultra-detailed 50-megapixel photos, all in a body that's resistant to water, shock, and extreme temperatures. But it doesn't stop there. With its advanced AI capabilities, dual processing chips, and seamless sharing options, this action camera is engineered to make capturing and sharing your most exhilarating moments easier than ever. One of the standout features of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its rugged and compact design. Weighing just a few ounces, this lightweight camera is built to withstand whatever nature throws at it, while still being small enough to fit in your pocket. It's waterproof, shock-resistant, and capable of enduring extreme temperatures, ensuring that you can capture moments in any environment. But it's not just about toughness. The Ace Pro 2 is equipped with a next-generation LEC, light-enhancing control sensor, that elevates video and photo quality to a cinematic level. It records in stunning 8K resolution, capturing every detail at an impressive 4320p. You'll also be able to shoot high frame rate slow motion videos at up to 240 FPS, making it perfect for capturing the tiniest nuances of fast-moving subjects or creating dramatic sequences that captivate your audience. The large 50-megapixel sensor is designed to capture vivid colors and crisp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. The AI-powered scene recognition adjusts the settings in real time to optimize for different scenarios, ensuring that your footage looks its best, whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or dim moonlight. The built-in color correction technology further enhances the footage, making colors pop and skin tones appear more natural. The camera's dual AI chips enable rapid processing, allowing you to shoot, edit, and share your content quickly without compromising quality. In conclusion, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is not just another action camera. It's a versatile tool for storytellers, adventurers, and content creators who demand the highest standards in their gear. Its ability to deliver stunning 8K video, seamless slow-motion shots, and vivid 50-megapixel photos sets it apart from the competition. Coupled with AI-driven features, wireless connectivity, and durable design, this camera is engineered to help you capture the extraordinary and share it with the world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.